should not cost a single naira at any police station across the country. Under the Nigerian Constitution, Section 35 and the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015, Section 34, asking money for bail is not unethical, but also a crime. Also a crime for anybody to pay for bail.
And they are collecting money.
That's why we don't have full information what is going on. Is it for bribing? Is it for what? What is going on here underground? What is going on that we don't know? That's containing money. I want to know everything.
Let me talk. As I am talking now, I stand surety for somebody in a court, and I paid no dime. The only thing they did was to check my house in Lagos, check my office, made sure that I am working, and I paid my regular taxes for 3 years. That was what they did. Even at the time they were asking me, they want to check my bank account. We hesitated. It is not their right to check my account, and they said, okay, no problem. And that person, as of today, is still going to court.
So yeah, for hearing.
Yes, it goes to court every day. So you understand, that is just a condition, so that they attach those conditions, so that the person that they bail and you that you took the bail, we know that the person must not run.
And which state is the court? Which state is in Lagos?
It's in Lagos. It's in Apapa Court 3.
The State High Court.
Yes. So.
You mean the Lagos State High Court in Ikeja or Apapa? Which one is Apapa again?
Apapa.
Which? Okay, Apapa Court.
Lagos.
State High Court is in Ikeja now.
But it's the same thing in Lagos and Apapa. And Lagos is Lagos. They don't take money. I stand with you. I can screenshot all the bail bond.
Are you sure you're not Team Wunmi and trying to cause chaos here? I said, are you sure you're not Team Wunmi and you're trying to cause chaos here?
This is Wale Papariano.
Oh, Wale. Ah, okay. Johnny. Okay.
This is Wale. You know, I escaped the assassination. That was why I changed my...
You escaped assassination?
Let me tell you the truth. Just let's keep that. It's late already.
Papariano, what he is saying is the truth. Just like I said earlier on. You don't pay a dime. Look, there are different types of bail. Can't you see sometimes when court give a bail, they will say the person must own a property in a certain jurisdiction.
Papariano, let me gist you. The one they said they took spending for 900,000, all this one, they were all lying. Though they might give police some money, but all those ones, they are just lying.
That is a bribe. But
maybe to bribe the police to release them.
That's just a bribe. That's just a bribe. It's not up to that. Because and that police that you give 900,000, they no point that police were to accept pay he took money from you.
So if we go back now, no police will agree that spending pay.
I swear to God Almighty.
Yes. Sorry, Papariano.
Wahala.
Papariano. I'm sorry, but
because under Section 34, it says it's a crime. If any police shall collect money, I mean they have committed a crime.
I said nobody. The only thing they do, the police will tell you bribe, they will tell you sign bail bond, they don't have paper, they will have to...
Section 34, asking money for bail is not only unethical, but also a crime in the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
I said it is a crime. Nobody will accept they took bribe from you to pay somebody.
When you enter, Papariano, haven't you seen when you enter some police station, you will see, they will tell you, bail is free. Police is your friend.
So haven't you seen it? Bribes?
Yeah. All this stuff, when we are speaking, that's when I'm speaking, they bring people against Papariano. You talk too much, you ask too much, you want to know everything. You are sitting behind the camera there, and you are opening people's eye. You are opening people's eye.
Nigeria is not part of the people that are making the money. Those people coming to challenge you are part of the people that are making money there. So let me tell you the realistic thing.
Papariano, Nigeria is not free.
It's not free. Please, people should stop saying Nigeria. If you don't have the education, let us educate each other. This thing.
What do you say? You say it's not free. Engineer, you're saying it's not free.
Paper, yes, that the bail is free, but it's not free.
Yeah, no, it is free. See, Kenny. See, that's what we are saying, right? We are saying that
Jamaican law.
the bail is free by law, okay? But the police are collecting money by bribing.
Yes.
Which is wrong.
In writing, that's why I said in writing, it's free. But in real life, it's not free.
But they're committing a law. They are committing a, if you're a good lawyer, you know, I mean, your case. You're not going to pay that.
You have just read out what the court said from Punch yourself. Is the Punch lying?
No, this is the procedure. The court will grant bail.
This is the problem you have.
Then they need somebody that have that amount of money who can stand for you.
I'm going to go down on this platform. If they will not listen.
Papariano, with what you read, they mentioned money and two shorty.
Yes.
Exactly.
They mentioned money.
Minka, they are saying that the shorty.
So why didn't they say shorty?
Minka, they are saying the shorty must have that money.
That's not what you read out. That is not what you just read out.
Let me read it out. Let me read it out again. Let me quickly go there from it. No, it's okay. It's good to clear our doubt so that we can all learn. Please.
Okay, go ahead.
Yes, please. I mean, we are all brothers here and sisters here. Not everybody gets it. It's good for them to be educated so they can now stand hard to fight one day too. Just like some of you are fighting because you know it.
Papariano.
Now it says,
Papariano, before you read what you want to read, do you remember this is a similar thing that brought fight between me and Flora when we're talking about how...
Please don't mention that little lady now. She's too young now. Please let her be now.
Papariano, before you read, tell anybody, those people that bail spending and bail all those people to produce the receipt they give them. So they are paying to government.
Is that not what I said?
They cannot be given receipt. No, they cannot be given receipt now.
That's a bribe.
Now.
What is bribe?
If you pay to government, there must be receipt.
All right, it's a consequence. Justice Awogboro, in her ruling on the bail applications, admitted each of the two TikTokers to bail in the sum of 100 million naira with two shorties in like sum.
Right.
So, is that what you want to hear? Now, go on.
Right. Papariano, if you look on Google, it says here, in fulfilling the condition for a bail, I specifically asked for, can court require money for bail in Nigeria? It says,
please, sorry, wait, please. What did you type? Hey, this person not the word again. Talk to yourself, finish, make you come. If you don't finish, on mute. My head is very important. On mute so that we can talk, please. Don't wait first, don't wait. On mute, let us talk. We don't cry here, we like to get things right. It's either we get it right or we abandon it. Nyinka, can you hear me on mute so that we can? I want to check what you're checking. I want to also bring it out here. Tell me what you type. Because here, if we don't know, we learn. It's either I teach or I learn. Nyinka, are you there? Nyinka, Now, tell me, what did you type on Google? Go on. Tell me what did you
can court request money for bail in Nigeria?
So please wait. Can court request money for bail? Nigeria. Okay. Which we have understanding bail in Nigeria. Is that the one you enter or which one?
No, just the first one that came up.
There is attitude of Nigerian court on bail. What is the title? What's the title you have there? There's a topic. Or click on the link, you see the title.
http nigeria.actionforjustice.org.
Okay, so you are reading Action for Justice. Okay, now let's go. That's where I am. Now, the one that has Action for Justice, right? The Nigerian, the green, whatever.
It's written underneath it. I don't know, but this is the when I put.
It has what is the purpose of bail? It has something like that there.
That's the first thing that came up, and at the bottom of it, that's where I saw that http:/Nigerian.action. So when
let me read what I have here. Then you read what you have there. Okay? I just want us, because we all can have access to this thing so that we can get things clear. Here is this Action for Justice Nigeria. You say, what is bail? Bail is a process by which any person arrested and detained for an offense is released from custody, either on the undertaking of a shorty.
Okay, that's not the one I read.
That's the one you are reading?
No, that's not the one I read.
Okay, just wait, I'm coming here. Or on his own recognizance to appear on a future date. Bail may also be defined as a temporary release from custody of a person arrested or detained for an offense, with instruction to make and appear on a given day, place, and time to respond to the accusations leveled against him. In other terms, bail is a process by which a suspect arrested or detained is temporarily released from custody upon satisfying certain conditions or requirements for securing such a release. Now, what is the purpose of bail? The core reason, please, someone is keeping interjecting, please, just let's educate people so that we can now move together. We can hear you on. Let's just get this information, please, sorry. What is the purpose of bail? The core reason for granting bail is that since the law presumes that an accused person is innocent until proven guilty, they should not be deprived of their constitutional guaranteed liberty except where absolutely necessary. In essence, bail is the general rule and it is given to avoid wrongful detention pending the completion of investigation. However, the granting of bail to an accused... Please, no, don't interject now. I will lose my thought. Or you read your own Jerry. However, the granting of bail to an accused person does not mean unfettered liberty, as they still have to face trial at any time, place, date required of them to appear in court. Who is entitled to bail? Any person that has been arrested and detained on allegation of committing a crime is entitled to bail. The right to bail is a constitutional right under the following legal framework: Section 34, Section 35, Sub 4 of the Nigerian Constitution, Section 158 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, Section 27 of the Police Act. However, some crimes are so serious that the right to bail is sometimes restricted depending on the nature of that crime. It helps to know the following categories of offenses defined by the Criminal Justice Act. Simple offense, whatever. Okay. So now these are the different. Okay. Now we have different kind of bail. There are different kinds of bail depending on what you need to provide to be granted bail. Bail on self-recognizance. This means that if you prove that you are a responsible, prominent, or well-known, not motivated or run away, bail can be granted based on this ground, in that it is assumed that such person cannot jump bail. Bail undertaken by a surety. In this instance, a surety, a surety guarantees to provide security. They put in bracket money guarantee for the release of the accused and promise that the accused will abide by the terms of the bail agreement by appearing in court as required. If the accused person violates these terms or jumps bail, then the surety will forfeit the security undertaken for the bail unless they are able to convince the court as to why they should not. When can I ask for bail? Okay, before I proceed here, go on, Anyinka, give us a brief of what you have. We've got a brief of what I have here. Go on.
I'm going to leave. The first one I'm going to read, I'll go back to it, but let me read this particular one. Is bail money returned in Nigeria? It says Section 1653 of the ACJA, whatever that means, says that the money or security deposited shall be returned to the defendant or his surety or sureties, as the case may be, at the conclusion of the trial. If money is not involved, that will not be written there. The point I'm trying to make is, just because somebody has a house to stand, it's not everybody that stands surety that has money. If they ask for 5 million, if I prefer to give 5 million to a court, I would rather give 5 million to a court than give my house that is probably worth more than 5 million to a court.
With respect, that is not how it works. Please. With respect, you have been economical with the truth.
That is your
Let's educate ourselves.
Other people have their own.
Oh yeah, wait. Give me the law. Wait. Give me the law. Give me what for the.
Have their own experiences.
Wait, please now. Wait. We are quoting the law. Yeah, quote me that law again. Let me check that law. Quote that law, please.
It says here. I'm reading from Google. I didn't make it. It just says here. Section 165. Is it comma or in bracket? Sorry, 3 of the ACJA.
Section 135.
165
of Act of Criminal Justice.
Probably paragraph 3. I'm just assuming. States that the money or security deposited shall be returned to the defendant or his surety or sureties, as the case may be, at the conclusion of the trial, or an application by the surety to the court to discharge his recognizance. The first one that I was reading before, it says here, In fulfilling the condition for a bail, a surety...
Are you saw in section 135?
1665.
Ah, okay.
The first one that was reading Papariano before, it says, in fulfilling the condition for a bail, a surety may be required to provide security in form of money or properties known as bail bond in order to secure the temporary release of suspects and to guarantee that the accused will honor the terms of bail agreement by appearing in court when required and fulfilling any obligations or whatever. And if we talk about personal experience, I have got, just sometimes you have to be careful what you say on online because you never know who is listening. I have people that have had personal experience where money has been paid. Do you understand? And the money was gotten back after court. That one, I am 100% sure. But because you are talking about law, that's why I went to...
Sorry, wait. Section 165 of the Constitution of the Federation of Nigeria.
God.
Wait. I want to get that law out.
There. You have only BB and you are questioning who is this lady. Must you know me?
Please don't be disrespectful. Baby, please don't be. You're gonna say what you want to say. Please let us say our own thing. We will come back to that. We understand bail is free in Nigeria, but however it may be, let us just have to check some things and get ourselves educated. Okay, any person who by means of any false pretense induces any person employed by or under the Nigerian Postal Service or telegraph official, whatever. Section 165, I'm saying something else here. No. Which 165 you get for this? What I'm saying here is different from what you have there. I don't know which law it says in Nigeria. Did you put Nigeria?
Yeah, Nigeria. It says, yeah. Even that one, that's the one that also has the HTTP.
Can you Google this bail free in Nigeria? It's bail free in Nigeria.
That's the police one. That's police bail.
No, court bail. Both court bail.
It's free. Then everyone should be released in Nigeria. Then they should.
Yes, they're not just because you are bail does not mean because you are bail does not mean that you're not going to. They cannot sentence you to jail. It's just for you to come from your house to court, not to go back to the police station.
Papariano, please give me 5 minutes. Let me educate this lady. Thank you.
Don't educate me because I've had personal experience, so I know.
Papariano, please give me 5 minutes. Let me educate the audience. She can choose to believe what she wants to believe. I don't care. Now, Papariano, what I said earlier on, please, what is the difference between what you read and what I said earlier on? Absolutely, there is no difference. Now, there are types of bail. And let me take my time and go through them one by one. There is what we call self-recognized bail. Self-recognized bail. Now, what it means is, so, Papariano, don't be offended. I will be using you as an example. So now, me and Papariano have misunderstanding on my wife. So we end up in the police station. When we end up in the police station, they now took Papariano's statement. But because Papariano is a popular person, is a known businessman, I don't want to even use the word public figure yet. But Papariano is a well-established businessman. The police can look at Papariano and said, because we know you, if we call your phone tomorrow, you will appear here. We are giving you a self-recognized bill. So they will bring a very small paper and they will write your name on it. And they will say, oh, we are admitting you to a bail of maybe 100,000 naira. Then you sign. Then they will tell you to go home. Maybe at the cost of you signing the bill, when you are about leaving, because of the relationship citizen and police have, you can tips them. Okay, you take 2,000, you take 1,000 naira, you take 5,000, then you drove your car and leave the police station. That is self-recognized bill. that does not mean that your case has been determined or you are free from whatsoever accusation I'm accusing you of. And me, I'm very happy Susan for Justice is here. She just joined us. Now, number 2, that is police station bill. So along the line, the issue could not be settled in the police station and it finds itself in the court. Your lawyer, if Paparano have a lawyer, the lawyer can raise a point that, my client is this, he's been friendly, he's been cooperative, he's been this. So even at the police station, they gave him a self-recognized bill. So we are praying this court to admit him to a self-recognized bill. The discretion lies in the judge to do so, if she or he so wish. Now that is one. Number 2, another type of bill is maybe me and Papariano connive and we withdraw maybe 80 billion from Access Bank. So the issue went to the court and the court said we've been admitted to a bill, but the person standing our surety must be a civil servant, must be someone, if the case is in Lagos, must be someone who has a property within the manner. In some judges might not even say Lagos. Let's say the court is in Apapa. The judge can say must be someone who has a property within Apapa. What it means is, if Susan for Justice is coming to stand for a bill for us, she must produce that house document to the court.
Baby.
Yes, sir.
Let's try to, get ourselves educated. Some of these laws, whether they are annulled or not, I don't know whether they are annulled. But what she is saying, okay, and I kind of also see some light there. Let's say, for example, you want to, the condition given to somebody, the condition to have somebody bail, okay?
Yes, sir.
Must it always require property? First, that's my question.
No.
Okay.
No.
If it doesn't require property, their house is like a deposit. You see?
Yes, that is why I want to talk about different type of bill.
Okay. Are you talking about court bail, the administration, the court bail, and the bail?
Yes.
Okay, go on.
I'm talking of all
because
this.
In case where there's no property, money can be deposited. Money can be deposited.
Listen now, Papa. All these things I'm talking is court bail. I just started from police station, self-recognized bill, to just build up. But all this I'm talking is court. And don't forget, most of those laws you guys are reading is been amended. Most of the laws has been amended. If you realize earlier on they were attacking me that it's only in Ghana. But thank God you read it out that it's a general practice.
No. I'm seeing. That's what I'm being careful not to assert things that are not. What she's reading the Administration of Criminal Justice Act. Okay? From there, Section 167, that means Section 161, Section 165, sub 3, that she read. Let me read it out so that you get it here. It says, let me start from here. Or let me just start from a more elaborative one, okay? Let me just take it from the beginning. Okay, this is going to be helpful. The role of sureties in bail administration. Surety plays a huge role in bail agreement as the provision of sureties may be one of the conditions to fulfill the process of securing the release of an accused. Section 167 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act states that a person giving bail may be required to produce such surety or sureties as, in the opinion of the court, will be sufficient to ensure his appearance in court when required. Now, who is a surety? A surety is a person who undertakes to take responsibility for a person accused of a crime, not violate the terms of their bail. In fulfilling the conditions for a bail, a surety may be required to provide security in form of money or properties known as bail bond in order to secure the temporary release of the suspect and to guarantee that the accused will honor the terms of bail agreement that are appearing in court when required and fulfilling any other condition stipulated. I think his network is bad, but maybe you can hear me. Let's continue. What are the rights of a surety? A surety or all sureties in recognizance may apply at any time to discharge themselves from a bail agreement. Thus, it is possible to stop acting as a surety for an accused person if so desire. Let me bring him back. He didn't leave. His network, sometimes network can go down. Now, the implication of this is that the defendant will be rearrested to find other sufficient surety or meet some other condition. At the end of a trial, a surety has a right to retrieve, that is to retrieve any money or